Automating apt-get. Now, as I said before, we need to use apt-get's non-interactive mode to handle apt-get's prompts. So instead of typing apt-get-y in the execute command, instead, please copy the following. This will upgrade all common packages. If a prompt comes up and has a default, the default will automatically be chosen. This upgrades all critical packages, which can include kernel updates. And this command removes all unneeded packages. We separate them into different blocks to make it easier to manage possible errors. Now, run Chef again. And there were some updates we needed to install. Even a new kernel update. Scratch that. And that is how you upgrade a server with Chef.